Hi, this is Ian Rowe of Fintrano, and in under 5 minutes I'm going to show you how the mobile app works to let your workers manage their jobs, see where they've got to be, and let customers know the status, how if they're on their way, and so on. In this demo, I'm also going to be the customer, so you'll see what a customer receives at each point, because this system is fantastic for letting people know exactly what's happening and giving that effortless professionalism of excellent customer service with very little effort on your part. So here we can see Saturday, I've got one job in that day. It's booked in for the time slot between 9 and 12, and I can add multiple jobs to this time slot because sometimes you don't know exactly how long a job's going to take, so you put multiple jobs into a slot and say we'll be with you in the morning sometime between, in this case, 9 and 12, but you can control how big that slot is if you want to use slots. Maybe you book people in for specific times and it's not multiple people at the same time. It's we will be with you at 10, we will be there for 3 hours. This system can handle both, but in this case what you're seeing here is a time slot. So if I add a job, you'll see what the customer receives. So in the app, I'm going to click add job, pick a customer, in this case me, because I want to see all the feedback that I get. Let me pick a job a long way away up in Bradford. This is a house I used to live in. So the day, we're picking it for for Saturday the 1st of February. I could put it in this time slot, but let's say I'm actually going to book it in for the afternoon. Specifically, it's going to be 2 p.m. and it's going to be a 3-hour appointment. So I'm putting that in. Ian is the worker and the job is clean the stairs. I have a status. I can say this is a provisional job, which means no texts are going to be sent. It's just kind of holding the slot. But if it's confirmed, it's actually going to send live information. So let's do that. Click add job and it starts its process. So first of all, job has been created. Second of all, text has arrived. If I click on that, I see this is what the customer would get now. The customer gets a text saying Prominent Plumbers, that's my fake company, will be with you at 2 p.m. on the 1st of February 2025. Obviously, a phone number to call if there's any problems with that confirmation. If, for example, they meant a different Saturday, it's immediately clear to the customer that this is the wrong time and date. Also, that same information has been sent by email, slightly fuller featured because obviously you've got more space in an email. So now it tells you again the same information on when, but also where, confirms the location, gives any information, and a phone number and an email at the bottom for getting in touch if that's what they need to do. So as the worker, if I look at my jobs now, if I skip back, I'll see, there we are, that job's appeared. So now it's in there 2 till 5 and I can't put any more jobs. That time is booked out. I can only do this job. So let's go there and see how it's going. So as the worker, if I'm on my way to this job, find it in the diary, click on the job and it will load up the job page. First thing at the top is a map, which I could click on if I want and go to my app, so I can get directions, send it to my sat nav, and additionally, I can, as well as that, click to tell them I'm on my way. At the bottom, you see some other options. If I do need to cancel or say the job's completed or reschedule it, I can do all that from the app. But let me just click I'm on my way. Remember, at this point, all you've done is add the job to the diary. It's already sent one text and one email. If the job was tomorrow, then at 10 a.m. it's going to send also an automatic reminder text and reminder email just to say, don't forget, Prominent Plumbers or whoever the company will be with you between, in this case, 2 and 5. Just making sure that people are reminded of that job. That's all automatic. And then finally, when you're on your way or when your worker's on their way, they click, I'm on my way, and it asks for confirmation because it is going to send your live location and start tracking you. So yes, confirm that, and again, another text arrives, another email, and this time it's got a link in it to live tracking. So as a customer, I've received this. I say the name of the company, a picture of who's coming, their name, their status, the fact they're on their way, their current location is 129 miles away, and their position on a map. So actually, the customer now sees all of this fantastic information. Again, all you did was add it to the diary and click I'm on my way. But the customer has received a flow of professional information, which really raises their standard of your service in their eyes. And that's effortless professionalism with Fintrano.